everyone for being here today. I actually have a really good time playing with this because it just goes on and off and it's just like really convenient. But I'm really happy to be here today to launch the Velvet Smooth Express Pedi for shawls. And I've always been a huge fan of shawls. I've grown up on them. They are the most amazing foot care brand in the world. And with something like this, with the shawls, Velvet Smooth Express Pedi, I don't have to really worry about that anymore. I don't have to worry about making time to go to the salon or making time to go to the spa, getting my pedicure done. This does it for me. It's always in my bag. It's really handy. It's convenient. And you know, you're in high heels right now. So you know after this show, after this event, you're going to want to go home and pamper your feet. But more about pampering as well. I think for me, it's about hygiene. It's about you know, just feeling good about yourself, maintaining yourself, and this gives you an opportunity to do that. Foot care is very important because you know, we are always either in some open toe kind of sandals or we're in pumps, but that freedom to kind of know that you can wear whatever, any shoe that you want, any style of shoe that you want to wear is very important. And it's your presentation, you know, so people do notice these things and you have to be aware of it. So presentation to me is very important. Being hygienic is very important, and you know, the foot care hygiene is also extremely important. So yeah, that is something that needs maintenance, but it's definitely worth it. But so I think we need to realize that taking care of ourselves and being presentable is very important. So today I am launching the Velvet Smooth Express Pedicure for shawls, and as a brand ambassador, I'm very proud to be here today to launch such a product because this is something that has come into my life and has been such a convenience for me now. You know, I've been able to take care of my feet on the go when really I have no time. Everyone knows that I see you guys every time. I see you every day actually now with Roy promotions happening and shooting happening. So this has been a fantastic product and I know that this will be helping a lot of people. Arjun Rampal को, क्योंकि Arjun को pedicures बहुत पसंद है और hygiene और maintenance बहुत पसंद है and संभालते हैं. तो I would think I would give this to Arjun because I know he would love it.